Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oops. 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 Howdy, how? Let me turn on some music for you guys. Classical. And here we go. Hello guys, welcome to another live trading session where I constantly looking for a day trading opportunity, and let's go. So every trade setup starts with something to be certain is that you look at the you always follow your ritual for trading. Okay, what is your ritual? What is my ritual anyway? My ritual is apex trade setup. It's very simple, it's very common. It's just a normal trade setup, which I'll show you in a minute. The first step we do is look at 4H, 1H, 15M, 5M, 3M, 1M. Why do you do this? To get a better perspective. Okay, and the second, draw support and resistance. By doing this, is that to find best entry points. And the third, wait for GSS, TTS. So we have to wait for GGS, TTS signal around our area. And fourth, wait for a candle confirmation. So we have to wait for our candle confirmation too. So this is our trade setup. And I think I'm going to leave this way at the front, way up high, which we're gonna reach soon after this shenanigans. This became the new resistance now. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour time, 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame, it is looking like a double top. So I'm just gonna use another one for a macro. This is a macro looking. It's very bearish. What we have here is what we would like to call a double. A double top is very bearish many times of the day. Let me tell you why. So this is double top. What? Double top, meaning that the market tries to break out, but it failed. And then try to break out again and it failed. Meaning that the bears or the people that short the market hold this area very well. But that doesn't mean it's going to be there forever. Eventually it will just have to break up to the upside with the gold macro and stuff. But day by day, this doesn't look very bullish, and it's on a negative line already. Yeah, so it is on a decline. It is on a decline. So the 4 hours giving us a 4 hour. So what's the date today? The date today is 04 May. 4 hour equals bear. Downside. So let's look at 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, it is testing the waters here. So this become a support. This one also become a support too. I'm going to change the color of this. It became a resistance already. Turn off all the indicators first. So just going to take these away. You don't need these anymore. So this becomes a new support. If this so chooses to break below, then a waterfall might trigger. So this is the support. The support is green, meaning that it's likely for a buy zone. But it looks like we are looking at this and the bounce zone, meaning that we're looking for the price to just jumps up and then test some area like this and then falls down. So this could be another resistance at this moment. I would say it's a red because for the resistance. For those who are just newcomers, my name is Joe. I've been investing for 8 years, and I'm trying to no. I am sharing my experiences, my trading journey, and everything down to the minute details. Okay, down to the minute details for a better risk management, a better work and life balance. And this is my full-time job now. So yeah, this is our previous last week's stats. Okay, we are at 637 loss, meaning that yeah, it's but the first week we actually was killing it. We got a profit of $1,300 just by using only actually a less portion of the portfolio, so $100 per trade. But this time I'm using $200. When I started to use $200, I get my ass kicked because it was a bad sideways. So my trading strategy is a smart money concept. It only works best on trends. Okay, so there's no excuse, but I'm still survive the market. We only draw down about 3%, but that can be recovered real quick. Only about 2 or 3 trades win, we can just cover it back up. But yeah, let's see. But let's look at the first trade in last time. Last time we actually not last time, this morning. It's a May trading journey. We did 800 points because the market was choppy. So I react as an executive of my own account. So we did actually gain 143 $143. So that's 0.72 profit, 0.72% profit. Okay. สำหรับท่านที่เข้ามานะครับคนไทยอันนี้สวัสดีครับคนไทยด้วยนะครับ ผมก็พูดทั้งอังกฤษพูดทั้งไทยจริงๆผมถนัดทั้งคู่เลยจริงๆ อยากจะช่วยทั้งคนไทยและคนต่างชาตินะครับให้มาเทรดแบบมีระบบเหมือนผมก็เป็นคนหนึ่งที่เคยล้มเหมือนกัน so I used to be a trader that's fallen many times. I didn't have discipline. I was let me ask you this question. Have you ever been in a gambling mindset? เคยไหมครับที่แบบอยากจะพนันผีพนันเข้าสิงตลอดเวลา so when the gambling ghost just gets into you, it wants to make you trade every single time you see a graph and then let your emotion thinks and with no stats to back it up. คือแบบถ้าเกิดเราเทรดแบบไม่มีตัวเลขคอยกำกับไม่มีสถิติคอยกำกับว่าเราเคยเทรดไปเรื่อยๆใช่ไหมแล้วเราควรที่จะมีอะไรกำกับด้วยว่าการเทรดแบบนี้มันเวิร์กไหมถ้าเกิดเราเนี่ยเทรดแบบคิดว่าแบบนี้เวิร์กแต่ไม่มีอะไรซัพพอร์ตไม่มีหลักฐานเนี่ยผมว่ายังไงก็แพ้อยู่ดี so trading with evidence, so what I'm doing now is having evidence, so absolutely transparent. I hold nothing back. This is the first trade of May. Actually, it was last week, but this is the first trade of May. It's not the best. I had to make executive decisions. So this is not 1-to-2 RR ratio because high volatility. Okay, there was a sell actually. Oh, okay. So that's it. This is we start off the month very strong. เริ่มแล้วนะครับเริ่มstrong มากนะครับโดยการที่เราเทรด so when did I get it where did I get it I'll show you in a bit but let's still plan so go back to our very plan so we are looking at bigger time frames so this is my apex trade setup look at 4-hour time frame 1-hour time frame 15 minutes time frame 5 minutes 3 minutes and then we are at 1 hour right now and it looks like the trend is nowhere near a bullish trend yet so right now we performing a downward channel เป็น flag ลงนะครับเป็นจริงๆอาจจะ potential bullish flag ก็ได้นะครับตรงนี้ potential bullish flag นะครับ so this is a potential bullish flag because it's a we have a high lows we have 3 high lows here what does that mean we have 3 high lowsหมายความว่าอะไร what does that mean what does that mean bruh it means potential for bullish so we can draw something along the line of this I'm gonna change this color to be a more of a daring trend line so wait I'm gonna do this and can we change the line oh god what have I done I'm gonna change the color to this color oh what's this no change the color to this opacity the line is 4 pixels 2 pixels is enough and then change the opacity to something like this okay don't let the line discourage you this is my prediction should be color of blue yeah blue is fine and a very faint very faint so this is my prediction so it's so we have 3 higher lows that we haven't seen that for a very long time this is our lower low this is our lower low but this time we're having a high lows so there might be some recovery in the mist if the bulls manage to hold this area then it's a very bullish thing to do it's a very bullish thing to go for but there's no guarantee because we having actually not a very strong higher highs meaning that คือแบบตรงเนี้ยมันเป็นมุม2มุมใช่ไหมครับก็คือเป็นท็อป2ท็อปที่มันใกล้กันมากเนี่ยมันหมายความว่า market หรือว่าตลาดเนี่ยมันขึ้นไม่ไหวมันก็เลยต้องลงมานะครับ so that's a sign of weakness right here it is a sign of weakness so as soon as we break off the channel here I can see why this is not a very attractive graph to see but we're gonna delete this so we have 3 higher lows potentially bullish let's look at the 15 minutes time frame 15 minutes time frame let's see if there's any signal going on there's no signal so potentially a buyback signal here but very risky so no $15 minutes and welcome For those who are newcomers, my name is Joe, and I've been trading for 8 years. I know crypto before it was cool, and this is my full-time job now. My goal is to help people trade efficiently as much as possible, trade with no emotions, and trade with real stats. And welcome to see my stats. It's my stats right here. The very first stats of the month. And I'm very proud to show you this. The very first trade today. But right now, เราจะมาเทรดกันโดยมีหลักฐานนะครับผมจะไม่มั่วผมแพ้ก็แพ้ชนะก็มีอยู่ซึ่งผมมั่นใจว่าหลักฐานของผมเนี่ยมันบวกแน่นอนนะครับใน long term ก็คือว่าเป็นอาชีพแล้วเรามีทุนนะครับแต่ก็เหลือแต่การพิสูจน์ซึ่งจริงๆผมพิสูจน์มาแล้ว2 ปีว่ามันเวิร์กนะครับอันนี้ผมก็จะเทรดมาเลยนะครับผมว่าเป็นอาชีพได้จริงไหมนะครับผมมีทุนอยู่แค่ 20,000 เหรียญนะครับผม so there's only $20,000 in the capital and yeah just gonna keep flashing my sheets as you can see the first win of the day still proud of it not a 2-to-1 ratio is actually worse than that but it's okay this is what real life is all about so this is our Discord community we're giving signals with many trading styles as much as possible oh and this one me going this one's actually very good you might actually have to follow that and touch so let me get into trade real quick 0.03 times 5 So stop loss is at 98. TP. So we are getting a trade right now. This is our short position. We are at we're going to our position trade setup would be here. So this is for trading only, okay? And we are about to oh, we did hit back. Okay. Was it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is 5. 97เหรอ 800 points. TP. So right now we're going to enter a position right here, and our stop loss would be 6, like exactly around this resistance here, and the TP would be, oh god, it's a long way down. TP would be something along that 2,000 points. And that's looking okay. Not closing. 2,000 points. Four times 5. Okay, let's go. Stop loss would be 4, 5, 9, 7. And take profit would be 4580. So the stop loss, I'm going to type it in for you guys right now. 4590 is our entry point. Yep. $4580. And the stop loss would be around 97. Battling. We are battling against the all odds. It touches here. The momentum can carry on. 30 minutes time frame looks like it's gravitating towards this area. And for and on TP take profit for 597. 597 is good. And 4597. No, sorry. 4570. 4570. So look at the 30 minutes time frame. Long legged. Can't front run this. Let me know in the comments if you guys already into a trade with me. Very welcome. And let me wear my jewelries. Okie dokie. So the first TP would be around here. Second TP would be way down there. So recommend the TP1 first take profit. So totally my stop losses would be 24 Sam and 50. It's fine. But my gain is around 60. Yeah. Let me know, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys ready to enter a trade or already enter a trade like I am. Seeing all we have to do is waiting. And the reason why we did get in here is because of this area. We did have another launch pad that we are testing again. It's either we're gonna launch or we're gonna fail. This is another thing to consider. So we're gonna flirt with 4590 for quite a while until the London market opens. And let's see if it's bullish or bearish. We can see a very bullish candle just closes it up, but let's see 5 minutes. This one's very nice actually. So the 5 minutes time frame. Is it gonna retest this? Ooh, 3 minutes time frame. It's at the very bottom of the trend probably. Yeah, not very nice. 1 minute. Oh well, 1 minute. It's in the middle. This means that the decision is not being made yet. But we are willing to see if the price will go down. We can potentially see a bullish flag forming. Downtrend usually means it can shoots up, but nothing's guaranteed. We're gonna turn off the ghost ring strategy. If it hits our target, then yeah, we're going to gladly accept it with a smile and move on. But right now, it's still under the tunnel, which means that the price is still fighting to go down, and it performs a high-low here. This performed a high-low here too, but it failed to break out. So we're probably gonna have to see another move to try and break it and then go back down again. But right now we just you know, for lows getting into this area right here. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. Have any questions? While we are at it, let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. Where is this going to go? So don't forget all these signals, even though they're very nice to me. And I'm just giving you the idea of best entry point. Let me ask you this. Wouldn't you have a system? Would you like to have a system that's be another helping hand in order to see if you should enter a position when the trend is set? If you say yes, then trend tunnel strategy is probably for you, because every time there's a trend, meaning that the market decides whether it wants to go up or down like this, and then you can see and decide for yourself this is a good entry point or not. As you can see right now here, it did slowly going down, and there are many signals that you can follow, which means that not everyone can do it. You need to have knowledge about smart money concept. Smart money concept, what is it? What is smart money concept? ใครรู้จัก smart money concept บ้างครับ smart money concept ช่วยยกมือหน่อย smart money concept. Actually, I'm going to change my song to a lo-fi. Very nice. This area is very strong. We probably should bounce around this area. We did enter a trade here. So what's going on the, let's go back to our 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at it. It's mostly a sideway, to be honest. Sideway down. Sideway down. No bias. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is obviously a downtrend. Yeah, at the moment it's a downtrend. Sideway down, potential up. One minute time frame. Let's skip it to 1 minute time frame. So the 1 minute time frame is performing lower lows and bigger lower lows. It's obviously a downtrend. Yay. I service to both languages. Mm. คืนกำไรได้ไม่เป็นไร Looking with a smile on my face. This is our entry point right here. Even though we are almost halfway to our stop loss, it's okay. The rejection is possibly quite high at this rate. Looks like it's trying to go back to 4,600. Let's go back to our plan for today. This is our plan for today in Thai and English. 4th of May, 4 hour and 1 hour is still on the downtrend. It's going down for sure. And then 15 minutes, it's a sideways down. We did see a little bit of touching up on the upside and downside. 5 minutes is sideways down as well, potentially up. Why do you say that? Because it's a ascending channel. It's ascending channel right here. And this is usually a bullish flag, because most bullish flag will probably go down to meet the price where it gets interest point and then just shoots up. Yeah. And 1 minute time frame is obviously a downtrend. It's a very long downtrend, which is still a bullish flag, but it performing quite lower lows, lower highs, and maybe it's looking to break. The area to really watch for is this one. This would be a doozy if we touch this one again. It'd be really a doozy. Will we touch it though? We don't know. And the trading view, of course, they're saying that more technicals. All the technicals are sell, strong sell. Very strong sell. 1 week neutral. 1 month very strong buy. Uh-oh. 1 hour strong sale. 30 minutes strong sale. 15 minutes strong sale. Strong sale. Strong sale. Neutral. 1 minute neutral. Sure. Back to chart. And the price right now, it's meeting its lower point. I don't know if it's gonna go further or it's gonna shoot up, because it's such a smaller time frame. We don't know at all. Okay, now we just have to do is wait. Remember, 80% of trading is be patient. Be patient, my son. Be patient, my son. Be patient. Be patient, my son. Yes. Yes, be patient. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it, man. For Thai people as well สำหรับคนไทยนะครับผมขอพูดไทยบ้างเถอะเบื่ออังกฤษเหมือนกันผมพูดได้2ภาษานะครับคนไทยเหมือนกันการเทรดคือการรอ 80% ของการเทรดคือการรอนะครับ market ไม่หนีไปไหน the market is not going anywhere at all so the market doesn't leave us the market doesn't betray us the market doesn't see a nicer guy with a lot of money they made a lot of money they don't go to that they're just trying to weight it down weight it down no this is not our trade this is our trade yeah 80% of trading is patience very very nice that's very nice that's very nice looks like the market really wants to stay up at this area we have an engulfing let's look at the inner side of the picture it's 90 yeah something along like that so the market is still deciding we could have gotten here which is very nice but it's fine if the decision is to go back let's see the gold string strategy is not very nice oh okay still in the middle of the trend we can still see a further downside but the 3 minutes time frame it's on the downward channel requires a higher momentum to go down possible higher even higher momentum to go down 15 minutes even higher to go down because it just bounced 30 minutes not too much I don't want to scare you guys with all these shenanigans but let's stick to 1 minute time frame here 1 นาทีดีกว่าครับ so it can shoot up and meets the expectation of the bulls just falls back down possible but we do not know gonna take time patience guy patience let me know in the comments what you guys think and if you like this kind of content please like share and subscribe it means a lot to me and let's see where the market's taking us are we gonna go downward so potentially we can see a lot of sideways actions with a little bit of a oh no we might break through and then we're just gonna go down retest and then keep going down let's see the news Spanish manufacturing PMI rises so the economy is good in Spanish Bank of Korea deputy chief says time to consider rate hikes ouch South Korean won closed at 1,462 per US dollar, marking highest level since February. Okay, February 27. So meaning if the currency is high, they can sell gold, right? Stagflation. France likely to avoid recession, says central bank chief. Of course they say that. Yen, what's going on? Yen spikes higher as intervention on the radar of markets. What is this? So the yen market actually matters a lot. Yeah, it's gonna keep going sideways. Very low volume. Let's see the volume here. There's no volume here. What about here? There is a little bit of lots of sale volume. There's no volume here. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Where's the direction is going to go? There's not much volume here at all, except for this area. It's a high sell volume. Still on the bearish side. We're in the green. Type in the comments and say we're on the green, guys. Yay, green. Type in 888. Infinity number. ใครเข้ามาแล้วนะครับ ใครเข้าก็กด888ได้เลยนะครับ กดเพื่อนผมหน่อย So, as we are waiting for this position to unfold, we can go back to our very first motto, that why I started this whole channel in the first place. Where is it? It's not here. It's here. Let's see. So for the newcomers, Apex Strategy SMC Smart Money concept, meaning that this is the blueprint. Apex Blueprint Strategy. So this is a strategy for my blueprint, Apex Blueprint Strategy, using smart money concept to trade, meaning you're actively trading, right? And when you're actively trading, you of course you want to protect your capital and you want to protect your profit. The best way to do that is that put yourself in an advantage. Put yourself where you think you will gain an advantage. And of course, you don't say you think you will have an advantage here. You have to backtest it. So this method actually backtested it. Even with a 40% win rate, I'm still become profitable. Let me explain why. Why I think I know it's become profitable. Because with 1% of your capital per trade, let's say I have $10,000 and I times it by 1%, that's $100. The risk to reward ratio, the risk to reward has to be at least 1 to 2. But I mean, this morning, I have to be honest with you, there's a lot going on, but if I did hold my 1 to 2 position, then I would have gained a 1 to 2 anyway. And put in $100 and you get to $200 in return. That's the best you can do. and then put your stop losses. When you lose, you only lose $100, 440% win rate, and when you gain 4 times out of 10, right? So 200 times 4, $800. You lose 6 times, you only lose $100 or $600. So in the end, you'll still end up with $200 profit. So it's pretty much the apex bulletproof blueprint strategy. Yeah, apex bulletproof blueprint strategy. Yes, of course. Bulletproof blueprint strategy. I hope that is a cool name. Why not? Maybe it's too long, but I like it. I'm gonna put something I like on the internet. Apex bulletproof blueprint strategy. That's what's going on. And this is another ethos that we are going by. I'm gonna call it Apex Ethos. I don't even know how to spell ethos, but we'll figure it out. It's a character. So what? I'm here as a full-time trader, and I'm willing to do anything for you guys to hear me out how to protect your capital as a trader. So of course, when you trade, you don't want to lose your capital. You want to protect it, and you want to protect your profit. Of course, you want to protect your profit, meaning that once you have something more than you put in return, you want to protect it, right? And you want to protect that know-how, your discipline. In this trading game, you can't predict the market 100% of the time. Be safe. Let's say you think that you can only predict 40% of the time. Then you use your strategy and you keep using it. You don't get greedy. You don't increase your position. You keep repeat, and then compound interest, and then protect your soul. Best of all is that trading is not about everything in life. You're gonna have to let go of your stress when you trade. Try meditate. I can teach you how to meditate right now. Just lightly focus on your breath. And then, of course, when you think about breathing, right, then you're going to actively think about breathing and breathe. But when you do something else, like, I don't know, talk to a person, you don't actively think about breathing, right? Just don't actively think about breathing, but let your breath touches it, like the sense of it touches it. And then kind of let go of all expectation of how your breath gonna go and focus on that. It's not a laser point, but it's more like you look at the view. Look at the nice mountain view or beach view or whatever fits you. Your breath is the same. Yeah, and that's how to mostly control your breathing. And of course control your emotions. And don't look at this right now. And by doing that, I'm probably going to delete this soon. Let's look at the trading plan that we have. So we are in the, this is an area of resistance maybe. We are in the green. We are going to, once we hit our 1000 TP, we're gonna move all our stop losses at our entry point, meaning that we hope for the momentum to keep going. I'm gonna lock in some profit. So the first 1000 points TP. So right now we're going to be not very greedy. What's this percentage? TP1 4579. We're just gonna have to be patient. TP1 4579. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Xiang Lang. That's an infinity signal right there. Infinity signal. May your rest of your days be infinity. สำหรับคนไทยนะครับใครเทรดตามก็พิมพ์888ได้เลยนะครับ For anyone that's entered the same position, please type in the comment 888 and let's see where this is gonna take us. We have a few long-legged bearish rejection, but let's see. Too early to tell. Trying to still lower lows. Still performing lower lows. Thank you for the very first comment of the day, Xiang Liang 8244. I hope I said your name right. Where are you from? Would love to know where you're from. That's a bullish bearish engulfing. So this is a bearish engulfing. Meaning that the price has to be around 90. No. That's where I entered the market. Meaning that the price is still going to stay bearish for a while. I'll retest for the code, but this is not going to be a retest at all. Yeah, let's look at the COMEX intention breakdown. Looks like it's forming quite a nice support around this area. Oh, you're from China. 你好吗? I know 你好吗 and I know 冰淇淋. 冰淇淋, you know? I love 冰淇淋. 我爱冰淇淋. Okay. Sellers are strong. What does that mean? What's that mean? Hello. Hello. This is my emote. Hello. Hello, Xiang Liang. Are you a trader as well? I hope you if you have any question, please let me know. Do you trade in the CFD market yourself too? But look at this right now. It's looking like the bearish continuation might be. The volume is looking a little bit less than usual สำหรับคนไทยนะครับตอนนี้มันไม่ค่อยมี activity เท่าไหร่มันก็แค่แบบน้ำเนิบไปเลยกำลังน้ำเนิบไปเลย Hello sir 4585 okay looks like the price wants to stay in this area for a while, so we stay 3 minutes. One, two, three, 20. Spend about an hour here, so we can wait another an hour to see where this is gonna take us. Alrighty, we're gonna keep waiting. So type in 888 if you are entered this market พิมพ์888ได้เลยนะครับ so right now I'm just going to chillax in the billax, like my hairstyle, like my jewelries. What's that? Channel activity, go to channel report, put this timeout, hide user at administrator. I'm not good at listening, but I will look at your trades. I see. 谢谢 I only know so I have stats as well. So this is my stats, statistics. 800 points this morning, 143 profit and gain, so 1 win. The net profit of 0.72% this month. Okay, so let's see this trade. So right now I'm just gonna wait. So it's getting back. Here. Yeah, something along the line like this. Let's see if it wants to go up. Let's see if it wants to go up or it wants to go down. Ooh. Let's go. We can actually look at some of the volume. Slow. So yeah, any questions, please let me know. Do you rarely stream? I try to do daily. I try to do daily. I try to do daily. Try to do every day. Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. Yeah, try to do that every day. So how do you say this?
Monday to Friday is 周一至周五亚洲和纽约差价合约交易会。
I like Chinese. I want to learn Chinese. Maybe I can live stream in Chinese. I don't know. Maybe. Oh no. Oh. China
中国封禁了 YouTube。
belong to ethnic minority in the Dai people. What does that mean? What is Dai people? Hmm. How do you watch? How do you watch YouTube if it's banned? So how do you say this?
如
Rungu.
果 YouTube 被禁，该如何观看？
Yeah, how do you watch YouTube when it's banned? The Dai people. What is the Dai people? So the trend line is still active. So the trend line here is still active. We almost entered the London session. We almost entered the London session. Shan? I'm currently doing business in Myanmar. Ah, Myanmar. Nice.
好的。
好的. Nice, nice. We almost hit our You can use YouTube. Yes. Nice.
好的，
好的，好的，好的。Did I say it right? Myanmar. What do you do for work? Oh, almost first TP of the day. Not of the day. Obviously, it's going to 80. Yeah. Still. The first TP of the day, I'm gonna move my stop losses here. Move my stop losses. So right now, at this moment, we almost hit our first TP, which is taking profit. We are taking profit at 80, like exactly at 80. So we're gonna move all our stop losses down to here. So meaning that we don't lose. This trade is impossible to lose. So there's a good practice for that. Our TP1's almost reached. A little bit far off. So it'll be $40. Oh, we almost reached. Just a little bit here. A little bit here. Like this is our first TP. Nice. our first TP. Very nice, very nice. Nice going. That's $50 in the play. Bad. 200. But if I lose 150. It's good, it's good, it's good. We hit our first TP. Yay, 888, first TP. We're gonna have to find a tick emoji. TP1. Let's go, let's go. To celebrate. So we're waiting for TP2. This is TP2. TP2. Let's go, let's go. Oops, sorry. So we're gonna have to downsize this. Yeah, let's celebrate together. Jianglang. So we wait. We can't do anything more but wait. Ooh. High five. We are going to heading for TP2. It's very nice. Very nice. How's Myanmar? How do you say this?
缅甸怎么样？
缅甸怎么样？缅甸怎么样？ Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. It's quite good. There's a lot of information asymmetry here, which creates a lot of business opportunity. Wow, what does that mean? What kind of asymmetry? What kind of business has good why?
哪些类型的企业在缅甸有良好的发展机遇？
Oh no. So we're waiting for TP2, which is very nice. Let's go, guys. TP1, we already made it. TP1. TP2 is waiting. 80% of it's trading. Not 80% of trading is waiting. Sorry, guys. What's this? Those who trade are generally better off. I hope so. I hope so.
希望如此。
希望如此 is that right? I'm sorry. Maybe I should learn Chinese. You think I should learn Chinese? I don't know. 一二三四五六七八九十 My grandmother, my grandfathers are Chinese. They came to Thailand and to start a family, and they gave birth to my mom, and my dad's Thai. So maybe I should learn Chinese because it's my root. I can learn that. I can teach Chinese people how to trade. Yeah. I'm looking to teach people how to trade too. Maybe I can. This is the way I trade. This is the way I trade. So hopefully that's going to help you. So basically this is the root of all this.
这是交易的根源。
This is the root of trading. So you have to lose 100 times. So very likely to be product.
极有可能
So this is not a financial advice, of course. And yeah. As you can see here, 1% of your capital per trade, even though you only win 4 out of 10 trades, you would still end up with profit. You can use fill in your own capital. Let's say it can be $100, can be $200, $1,000. I would suggest in the CFD market, $1,000 is base. Yes, and this would be a bulletproof strategy. I call it Apex Bulletproof Blueprint Strategy because this is not just any blueprint. You can use this for any investment. You can use 1% of it and then expect some sort of return. But this is not probably, it's best to use it for active trading, not long-term trading. So this is for like a short amount of time. Yeah, for a short amount of time. And you still become profitable in the end.
极有可能盈利。
Yeah. This. Very proud to present you this. And of course, this is our ethos. In order to trade, you have to know these things. So protect your capital, meaning the money that you already have, and then once you gain profit, you protect your profit, and then you protect your discipline. Your discipline meaning that your trading strategy, and then protect your soul, meaning that trading isn't about everything. You have to go and live too. So trading is not everything. You have to go live your life too. So how do you say this? 进
交易
攻
固然很好，但作为一名交易员，你必须要有工作与生活的平衡。
I hope there's sound for that. Yeah. Let's go back to this trading strategy that we have here. So we're building a base here, building a strong base here. So we can something like, and then yeah. But we already have $50 in the trade. Let's see. Ah, 谢谢。If you have any more questions, please let me know.
如果您还有其他问题，请告诉我。
Yeah. 谢谢。Hope that helps you in any kind of investment. Me personally trying to do my best as well to help people to become profitable and no gambling. Okay, so trading and gambling, it's two sides of the different coin, two sides of the same coin. You can either become a good investor having a good emotion control and be profitable, or you can think I can be rich tonight, but you can end up losing everything. So yeah. Very nice, very nice. Looks like it's gonna keep going down. It touches here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it did touch here, meaning that the trend touches bounce and it's continued to go down, hopefully. So this one's not very nice. I have glasses too. Glasses. Oh, it's going down, all right. No doubt about that. Recovery is very unlikely. Really, very, very unlikely recovery chance. Going down, going down, going down. Consolidation around this area for quite some time. So we're gonna see something like this. See something like this. See something like this. See something like this. Something like that. $1,000 TP. How to do that? What the Any more questions, please let me know. Now we just wait. 80% of it is waiting. 3 languages, trying to cater to everyone as much as possible. Consolidating still around this area, but it's still going down. Recovery might be a chance. Look at this area here. Strong support. Strong support, very strong support. Okay, we have some actions and we're gonna go down. Looks like we eventually are gonna go down all day. All day going down. Sorry, that's my girlfriend. She just arrived from Penang, Malaysia. And looks like it's the trade's gonna be down. righty. Strong support, consolidate for a while, and it's going to keep going down for sure. The previous low from yesterday here, it's going to keep going down for sure. Oh, looks like a reversal can happen. Hello. Still here waiting. And the price is gonna go down. Go down. How to add scrolling text in OBS is something like this what you see right now. First, you want to go to the scene where you want to add the scrolling text. Under sources, do the plus sign, and then choose text. You can name it scroll, and then click OK. Now what we need to do is we need to bring in some text here. So I've just got some text here that I just copy and paste just for the sake of this video. By the way, you can go ahead and select the font that you like. You can customize it the way you want. But for now, we're just gonna keep it simple and click OK. So right now, as you can see, it's kind of oversized. We can go ahead and resize it and then make sure it fits again.
It doesn't have to feed the screen, by the way, but if you want it to feed the screen, you can make it feed the screen. If you want it to go over, it doesn't matter because it's going to be scrolling and looping, so no problem, you can go over. The only thing that I like to do with first line, like the starting point, I always like to, not have it kind of go over, but the rest of the text will go over, no problem. You're gonna see because it's gonna be scrolling, so it's gonna be really nice. Okay, once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and let that source, the scroll source, you're gonna right click to it, or just click to it, and then select filters. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click filter. And you're gonna go ahead and click the plus sign, and then you're gonna add a scroll effect. So you're gonna go here and say scroll. Click to that. You don't have to name it. You can keep it scroll. And then here it says horizontal speed. This is what we need. Just play with the slider and choose the speed that kind of looks desirable and it's not too fast, but also like not too slow. Something like this looks good to me. This is gonna be subjective depending on what you want. Also, you wanna make sure you check loop because if you don't check loop, you're just gonna scroll once and it's gonna stop. You don't want that, alright? So you can go ahead and check loop. And once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and click close. And as you can see, our text is scrolling right now and it's gonna keep looking. Like if you want, you can add the background, make it look nice, all the good stuff. But for now, we have a scrolling text. Make sure you follow for more live streaming tips like this. How to add a scrolling text in OBS, something like this what you're seeing right now. First, you want to go to the scene where you want to add the scrolling text. Under sources, hit the plus sign and then choose text. You can name it scroll and then click OK. Now, what we need to do is we need to bring in some text here. So I've just got some text here that I just copy and paste just for the sake of this video. By the way, you can go ahead and select the font that you like. You can customize it the way you want. But for now, we're just going to keep it simple and click OK. So right now, as you can see, it's kind of oversized. You can go ahead and resize it and then make sure it fits. Again, it doesn't have to fit the screen, by the way, but if you want it to fit the screen, you can make it fit the screen. If you want it to go over, it doesn't matter because it's going to be scrolling and looping. So no problem, you can go over. The only thing that I like to do, the first line, like the starting point, I always like to not have it kind of go over, but the rest of the text can go over, no problem. You're going to see because it's going to be scrolling. So it's going to get it nice. Okay, and once you're done, you're going to go ahead and let that source, the scroll source, you're going to right click to it, or just click to it, and then select filters. Okay, so you're going to filter. Then you're going to go ahead and click the plus sign, and then you're going to add a scroll effect. So you're going to go here where it says scroll. Click to that. You don't have to name it. You can keep it scroll. And then here it says horizontal speed. This is what we need. Just play with the slider and choose the speed that kind of looks desirable and it's not too fast, but also like not too slow. Something like this looks good to me. This is gonna be subjective depending on what you want. Also, you wanna make sure you check loop because if you don't check loop, you're just gonna scroll once and it's gonna stop. You don't want that, alright? So you can go ahead and check loop. And once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and click close. And as you can see, our text is scrolling right now and it's gonna keep looping. And if you want, you can add the background, make it look nice, all the good stuff. But for now, we have a scrolling text. Make sure you follow for more live streaming tips like this. How to add a scrolling text.
Okay, looks like there's another signal to go in again. We can't go in again, can we? No, we're just gonna wait for the signal to go. Alrighty. Looks like the price is recovering to the almost to the way back, but we're not closing. All right. The price starting to getting back to its root. So the trade's not in yet. Hello. Anybody there? There's a buy signal over here. So we can expect actually this to recover a little bit, but no. The trading is still live. Oops. Silver's getting hit hard too. Oil price is skyrocketing up. Is it? Yeah, it's climbing. S&P 500 all-time high, a little bit off down. XAUT market cap. XAUT price. Very bearish. Tesla is still up 2%. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? Let's go back to gold price. The price is okay. A recovery might have a chance of recovery, but there's a cup forming here, so very interesting. "15 minutes. A cup in 1 minute rarely means something." So wait. The action is wait and see. 80% of it is waiting.แล้วความโลภหรือผู้ไม่กระทำความดีในการคนการละซึ่งโทสะการไม่เบียดเบียนผู้อื่นการไม่ยอมเป็นทาสของกิเลสการไม่ยอมเป็นทาสของกิเลสฝ่ายต่ำการเป็นผู้ฟังจากเป็นสติการน้อมเอาพระทุกคนบารมีเจ้าหญิงShort 3 minutes. Very, very nice. Oh, the signal is right in this area here, but it's in the middle. Strong trend. If you want to risk into this position, it's fine too. It's fine too. How are you doing, beautiful? So yeah, it's almost a profit time today. Almost a profit time today. ถือไปนะครับถึงแม้ว่านะครับมันดูเหมือนมันจะหักหัวขึ้นแต่เราก็ถือไปตามระบบนะครับตามระบบเหมือนกับตรงนี้เหมือนกันเราก็ถือไปตามระบบเราจะได้กินอิ่ม โยมหาลาโภพวันตุเมมิเตพาหุหติพุทธมาเอาอุนะโมพุทธายะวิรัติวิรุณสัพปติชามิเพ่งเพ่งพาพาหาลือลือเพ่งเพ่งพาพาหาลือลือสัพปชามิมิเตพาหุหติมิเตพาหุหติมิเตพาหุหติมิเตพาหุหติมิเตพาหุหติธรรมะหุนะโมพุทธายะสัพพจติชามิมิเตพาหุหติอาปุญโยมหาลาโภพวันตุเมLet's go. Let's go. Let's go with the gold price. Yes, of course. The uncertainty is a slippage. Khôngไว้ Okie dokie. There's nothing more to do. 80% was waiting. So we're waiting. Alright. We sure as hell are waiting. Strong support area around here. Very, very nice. Oh. So there's not much to go on. I'm about to end a live in about a minute here because there's not much to say anymore. Our position is well placed right here. If it was like this, I'm gonna become the next gold. But of course, we did. How much did we gain? he partially took profit a little bit. He partially took profit around 1,400 points. No. Partially took profit around here. But they did go 1,400 points only, which was okay because we can't predict the market. And then will it hit our target? We'll see, but most likely. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Oh, it looks like it's exhausted itself out. We may see a couple of leg downs, but maybe you'll see a leg up. We don't know. But hey, with this, I would like to end the live stream today. Thank you so much, everyone's watching from China. Also, cheer, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember our ethos, okay? Our ethos? What does ethos means? It's something we go by. You can see on the screen, right here, around here. Protect your capital, protect your profit, protect your discipline, protect your soul. Okay, and for those who are looking to trade and we're looking to join our Apex community, please leave like, share, and subscribe. And also, I'll leave a link for you to. To join us. Leave a link for you to join us. Okay. With that said, I would like to end my stream today. Thank you everyone that's watching, and I'll see you soon. And stay Apex. Ciao.